splashing out. Go for it, mate. Go, Lee. Slippery in here. Good see you, Trev. Hey, we'll wait anyway, Dave. Oh yeah, they're coming. Yep. I'll just wait for it. Am I flashing? Thanks, mate. All good. Go for it, mate. Oh, yeah, these are our new ones, but no one's ridden them yet. Should be good. Go for it, mate. Oh, there's more coming. Straight through there. Fuck, I don't know who else is coming. Alright, mate, straight through. Yeah. All good? Oh yeah, cool. Yeah. You alright, mate? You go? No, alright. Cool. These are our brand new ones. No one's ridden them yet. Yeah. That $2, mate. Oh yeah. I just saw you and yeah. I need to put a bit of tape across here then. Fuck, I'm in a bad spot there. Yeah. Oh, I missed it again. Fuck. Yeah, that way, yeah. Oh, no, up here, mate. Yeah, everyone's getting lost in there.
They went the other way.
Yeah, I overshot it. Trev overshot it. Yeah. We're gonna mark it a little bit better.
Once you get the tracks going,
That's,
right.
yeah. Yeah, he thinks the track's there because we were going to put one there. You know, the one where the route track is. It's still got a marker on it. I think he's down there. Hang on, I'll go and have a look. I think he's down there. Oh, yeah, up the top there. Cool, mate. Yeah, that's it. We're going to mark it better. No, down. Oh. Yeah. I've got to put a marker there too. That's fun. Fuck, it's hard not to get lost.
Once that's worn in, that'll be good.
Yeah,
Get these bloody nice flat spots.
I've got to put a few more markers and stop us from overshooting them.
Yep.
But I want to go back through it and back through it again.
Yeah, that's right.
Just to cut it in more.
Exactly.
We got lost and we went downhill.
I think everybody did. I followed Trev on one wrong one and I went down the next wrong one. You'd think I'd know, we just made it yet.